NFAs are nothing but having the situation or transitions where you can move from one current state with a single symbol, you can move to more than one state. So here, if we will try to represent this, then what we can say? We can say that Q0 into 0. It is moving to which state? It is moving to Q0, comma Q2. Is it clear? Okay. So in case of DFA, what we have seen, we have if current state which is represented by capital Q and the current alphabet is represented, then it is moving to a single state. This was the case for the DFA, right? But in case of NFA, what we have here, Q0 is acting as Q, 0 is part of alphabet. So here you can see here we can move to more than one state. So it is said that in case of NFA, we can move to 2 raised to the power Q state. For example, if I am having Q is equal to, in this case, in the same example, how many states are there here? Q0, Q1 and Q2, right? So here, what will be the 2 raised to the power Q, which is nothing but Q is equal to here 3. So that is, we should have how many possible states where you can move. So very first is, you can either move to a single state Q0, or you can move to a state Q1, or you can move to a state Q2. Okay. So we represent it with the help of such square brackets. Okay. Then third is, we have to take the combination. So combination will be Q0, Q1, then Q0, Q2, and then last is Q0, Q1 and Q2. Okay, so this will be different states where I can go with a current input. Now in the above example here where we have moved, so we have moved to a combination which is nothing but the Q0, Q2. Is it available? Yes, it is available. So this is a case of NFA. Okay. So this is showing the possible movements, not necessarily it is that we have to move to each and every state. Okay. So possibly how many states will be there? 2 raised to the power Q, 1, 2, 3, 4, then this is 5 and this is 6. Is it over? Anything else is remaining? So 2 raised to the power 3 is what? Something is missing? Yes. Which are other sets? So Q0, Q1, Q0, Q2. Then one more is Q1, Q2. Anything else is missing? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we are expecting 2 raised to the power what? Q. So 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8. So how many states will be there? So here only we have seen 7 states, right? So which is the 8th state? So 8th state is our 5. Okay. So finally we can have 2 raised to the power Q. That means we are representing it with the dash. We are not moving to anywhere. So finally 5, Q0, Q1, Q2, then Q0, Q1, then Q1, Q2, then Q0, Q2, and then finally Q0, Q1, Q2. Now see, do you have now 8 state? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So these are the possibly the next state. So these are representing what? Next state. So either you can move nowhere. What this means? Either you can move nowhere, or you can move to only Q0, only Q1, only Q2. And if this is the case, then it is equivalent to DFA, right? But if it is moving to more than one state, like it is moving to Q0, Q1, Q1, Q2, Q, how NFAs are represented? So NFAs are represented by same way, that is nothing but M is equal to Q alphabet delta. Then what is next? Q0 comma F. Where there is a difference only, delta is nothing but Q into summation, that is Q into alphabet can move to 2 raised to the power 2 possible states. I hope this is clear to everyone. What is the difference in DF and NFA and their representation? So remaining thing is same. You have to copy it from the NFA. Sorry, DFA. So should I consider this is clear to everyone?